Thinking about patching your roof to save money? That decision actually could cost you your insurance coverage and/or thousands of dollars later. Hi, I'm Jamie Blair with Wise Insurance Agency, and I'm an expert in the insurance industry here in the state of Florida. Today, we're going to talk about roofs and why patching them instead of replacing them can actually put your home and your wallet at major risk. Let's break it on down. Why patches don't work. Here is the truth. Insurers don't like patched roofs at all. Why? Because the patch is a temporary fix. It doesn't restore the integrity of the entire roof. Patches often fail under immense pressure, especially during heavy rain and/or hurricanes. And water intrusion is one of the biggest and costliest types of claims an insurer faces. That's why carriers want to see a full replacement cost, not just patches on their roof. It's a long-term protection, not a quick fix. Also, if a claim happens, it can be hard to prove whether the damage came from the original patch, which was the issue, or new damage. Carriers prefer not to take on that risk. So, in short, patched roofs equals uncertain future liability claims. Carriers prefer a fully replaced roof because that's easier for the insurers and less likely to result in expensive claims. Here's where it hits hard. Insurance eligibility. If an inspector sees a patch, your application after you wrote it could be denied. If your roof is patched after the coverage begins, you could face cancellation at renewal time within the first month or so. This is called the underwriting period. Even if you stay covered, many carriers will surcharge you, which means higher premiums at renewal time. Insurers see patched roof as a sign of neglect, not maintenance, and they price and/or underwrite accordingly. And here is the biggest danger: denied claims. Imagine you patched your roof to save a few $1,000s, but then there's a major leak that causes $30,000 in water damage to your home. If your insurer denies that claim because of the patch, then you're on the hook for the full repair. A proper roof replacement may feel expensive up front, but it's almost always cheaper than not having insurance. So, to recap, patched roofs might look like a quick fix, but they put your home and your wallet at risk, raising your premiums and can even make your insurance ineligible. A full replacement is a smarter investment for your home and your peace of mind. In our next video, we're going to cover the benefits of metal versus shingle roofs, the benefits and the downfalls. If this was helpful, please make sure to subscribe, connect, follow, or like whatever button you see on the platform that you're watching this on. Go ahead and do that. So that way you can keep getting all of these tips that I, Jamie Blair with Wise Insurance Agency, are throwing out there for your education. And don't be stingy. Make sure that you send this to another homeowners that might need to see it. Thank you so much. Hope to see you in our next video.